Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to talk about the amazing anti-aging benefits of aloe vera. Aloe vera is a natural plant that has been used for centuries to treat a variety of ailments. It is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, but it also contains 4 plant steroids, amino acids, selenium, chromium, and potassium. These minerals help the body's enzyme systems function correctly, slowing aging. The plant is also rich in antioxidants such as beta-carotene and chromium. Studies have found that regular consumption of aloe vera gel reduces wrinkles and blemish marks. It works by promoting the production of high hyaluronic acid and collagen, which are necessary for youthful skin. The sterols in the aloe plant help produce these compounds, which reduce facial creases and improve facial hydration. This anti-aging effect is statistically significant in studies. Aloe vera has also been shown to increase collagen production in skin cells. Researchers have found that this substance can reduce wrinkles and improve facial elasticity. It also helps reduce dark under-eye circles and puffiness. Its collagen-producing properties help the skin regenerate, making it look younger. The antibacterial and antifungal properties of aloe vera can also treat acne and fade acne scars. It also stimulates collagen production in the skin, which reduces the appearance of scarring. Aloe vera has been shown to improve facial elasticity against wrinkles, a process exacerbated by the aging process. It can help prevent and delay the onset of wrinkles by increasing collagen production and other collagen-building proteins. So, to sum it up, aloe vera has many anti-aging benefits. It can reduce wrinkles, blemishes, dark circles, and puffiness. It can also increase collagen production, improve skin elasticity, and reduce acne and acne scars. Thanks for watching.